How to edit Netflix profiles. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can edit and make changes to your specific profiles on Netflix. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to go ahead and edit your Netflix profile, first open the Netflix application. Once you launch the Netflix application over here, you'll be able to see all of these profiles. If I want to make changes to either of these, just tap on the edit button on the top right and you'll be able to see the profile editing icon. Just tap on the edit button next to the profile you want to edit. Now you can change your profile picture if you want. You can change your profile name. You can change your maturity rating. You can select the display language for this profile. You can also change your audio and subtitle language. You could also change your subtitle appearance, your auto playing next episode feature, as well as your autoplay previews which you want to change to. If you want to delete the profile, just tap on the delete profile option. Now the application only has some of the limited features that you can customize for a specific profile. If you want to unlock the full feature of Netflix profiles editing, you have to go to netflix.com from your browser. Make sure to log into the account on which you want to make the changes, and once you go to netflix.com over here, you just need to tap on the three lines on the top right and then go to the option called account. Once you go to the account option, scroll down to the bottom, you'll be able to see all the profiles. If you want to make changes to either of these, now you have more options. You can lock your profile, you can change viewing restrictions, you can change viewing activity, you can delete your history and do many more things. That's all it takes to edit Netflix profiles. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.